Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to see who saved my number with what name. So simply you can see there is no such a method available in any application or cell phone where you can check how someone saved your number. So simply just you have to text like open the WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram or messaging. So simply just send him a message that please show me the number you saved with my name and ask him to send a screenshot. So in this way you will get to know that how someone saved your number with what name in his cell phone. So just there is no other method to know that. So simply in this way you can ask the person that how someone saved your number in his cell phone.